How to make money with NFTs. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be telling you how you can make money with NFTs. So let's get started. Everybody nowadays is into NFTs and making thousands of dollars selling and buying NFTs. So you might be wondering how you can make money with NFTs, how to get started, and what are different ways we can make money with NFTs, and is selling and buying is the only way to make money, or there are other ways to make money with NFTs as well, or not. So that is what I am here to tell you. So let's get started. First, what happens is, if you do not have any idea about NFTs, NFT stands for non-fungible token. Your NFT can be anything: your art, your music, or collectibles, your photography, trading cards, virtual worlds, domain names. Anything can be converted into NFT, and these are being sold for thousands of dollars on different NFT marketplaces. If you want to check out any of the NFT marketplace, then I suggest you check out OpenSea.io. OpenSea is world's first and largest NFT marketplace, and you will be able to find all of the famous collections on OpenSea, such as CryptoPunks, Cool Cats, Bored Ape Yacht Club, Clonex, Takashi Murakami, Invisible Friends, and much more. All of them are right here on OpenSea. So, the first way you can make money is by selling NFTs, of course. How you can sell NFTs and how much you can make with NFTs? Well, you simply create your own NFT collection on any of the platform. Let's say you create your collection on OpenSea.io, like all of these collections right here. And let me show you how much people are actually making with NFTs. So I have opened up one of the very famous collections for you, Bored Ape Yacht Club. You might have seen these monkeys somewhere. These are actually apes, and a very famous collection available on OpenSea.io. So let me show you the price for these NFTs, and let me show you how much they are making with these monkeys and this art right here. So you can see right here the items are 10k, owners are 6.3k, and the floor price right now is 86.99 Ethereum, which is insane. And right now, one Ethereum is round about $3,000 at the time of making this video. This is like the floor price, but there are NFTs that are more than 89. For example, this one is 92 Ethereum, this one is 93. Let's go to actually pricing. Right now, I think I might have filtered my search from low to high, because I always keep it from low to high. I'm not that rich. So what happens is, let's go from high to low, and let's check out the highest price NFT for this collection right here. So you can see right here that these are the highest priced NFT in this collection, and check out the pricing, guys. I mean, this one is 15,000 Ethereum. This is insane. If I scroll down, then we have like for 1,000 Ethereum, then we have 900 Ethereum. Let's go for 8,000 Ethereum, and let me show you how much it is in dollars. Let's open this one up. Now, you might be wondering, like, this is a very famous collection, that's why it's so expensive. But just imagine if you are creating an NFT collection and it goes, high, and it is a successful collection, then you can also sell your NFTs for maybe 10 Ethereum, 2 Ethereum, 1 Ethereum. You will still be making thousands of dollars. And then if your collection is really successful, then you can sell it for hundreds of Ethereums, and you will be making millions of dollars with just one NFT. So I might not be able to open it right now because OpenSea is really crowded all the time, so you might face some difficulties. But you can see right here the 1,000 Ethereum is like millions of dollars, and somebody is gonna make this, right? And you can actually sell your NFTs for good prices. And you can see right here that how expensive this can get and how insane this can get when it comes to NFTs. So you can also make money by selling and buying NFTs. The next way you can make money with NFT is going to be through NFT flipping. You might have heard about NFT flipping. This is another way we make money with NFTs. It's not just simple selling NFTs. There is another way of flipping NFT. Let's just say I am a creator, but I'm not that professional, or I want to make money off this monkey. I don't want to create a new collection. I don't want to kind of like go ahead and, start from the scratch. What I can do now is I can buy one of these anytime I want to if I have the money, okay? Let's say I buy this one. When I say I buy this one, I'm gonna go ahead and again filter my search from low to high, even if I say that I'm gonna buy an NFT for 1,000 of Ethereum. So you can see right here, these are still very, very expensive. But let's just say I want to buy this NFT right here, and it is 88. The minimum bet right now is 88 Ethereum for this one. Let's say that I buy this NFT, right? I bought it. That's it. But now what I can do is I can actually make money with this. I can keep this NFT, and later, because everybody wants to get a, Bored Ape NFT, everybody wants this ape. So what will happen is maybe after 1 month or maybe 2 months, when the floor price will be 100 Ethereum, because it's increasing, right? And in 1 month, it can go up to 90 Ethereum, right? And 95 Ethereum. So let's say I bought this one for 88. Now I have this one. After 1 month, when everybody will be looking for these NFTs, and the minimum NFT they will find on this collection will be 90 Ethereum, because that's the floor price, right? They will find NFTs for 90 Ethereum, they will find for 95, and there are NFTs for thousands of Ethereum right now. So what will happen is, if I'll tell somebody that I have a Bored Ape, NFT, this NFT, I have this one, and I want to sell it for 100 Ethereum, or maybe let's not go too much because there are many factors. Let's say I want to sell this one for 90 Ethereum. I will be making 2 Ethereum out of this one. If I keep it for few more months, I can actually make, I think, 5 to 6 Ethereum out of this NFT. We can actually make 10 to 20 Ethereum. And we know 1 Ethereum means making $3,000. So what I did is I invested, I bought an NFT that was already created, and I flipped it for profit. That is how we make money with NFTs. Again, when you are making money, you don't have to go for very expensive NFTs. You can buy an NFT for 2 Ethereum and later sell it for 2.5. Maybe you can buy an NFT for 0.5 Ethereum and sell it for 0.7 Ethereum, as a beginner. So that is how you can make money with NFT flipping. There's another way you can make money with NFT, and that is the NFT jobs. This is actually one of the way I wanted to show you. Most of the people will not mention this. So what happens is that there are a lot of ways you can make money with NFT, and one of the ways is by creating NFTs. If you are a good graphic designer, you can become an NFT creator on any of the freelancing website, and people are hiring because everybody wants to create a NFT collection. So you can create your own, but you can also provide your services to create NFT collection on any of the freelancing websites such as Upwork or Fiverr.com. Or you can simply do the marketing. You can do the NFT promotions. Again, you will find the job on freelancing websites. Then you can become a assistant, or you can create a Discord. If you know how to create a professional Discord, you can simply become that, and you can sell your services. You can teach about NFTs. You can sell your services that way. So these are the different ways we can make money with NFTs, and NFTs are great. You should definitely, get into this if you're looking. Then I hope this video was a big help to you, and now you know how we make money with NFTs, how this works, and how much you can make, and how insane NFTs are. So yeah, I hope I was a big help to you, and now you know how to make money with NFTs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.